Hi friends, Ganesh here. Hope you are all doing wonderful. Today we are going to discuss about truth of getting rich using cash flow quadrant. So let's get inside the topic. Everyone has a dreams and goals to be successful in life and have a better life than their parents. All are trying to achieve that. But the question is, how many are successful in the journey? Well, people who understand the key ingredients are those who achieve that success. Do you know what that is? The key ingredient is time, and efforts are actions. We have all received this super gift from God or nature equally. All you need to do is make your efforts or actions on time to be successful. In the world, we will see 4 categories of people based on their actions, and we will see how the time changes their life. First is employee. Pretty much many of the world's population falls under this category. This group use their efforts and time to work for others, for exchanging with money. These people will have a pretty stable lifestyle that depends on demands for their skills. Maximum 8 to 12 hours they can do that exchange in a day. The problem is they can't do that exchange lifelong. As they get old, they will become weak, so they will retire from work. At that very moment, the money supply will be stopped, and they will start to depend on other family members. The bitter truth is, many of the poor people fall in this section. Next category we will see is self-employed. People who are smart can create their own job, but they also have limited time to exchange for money. They depend upon the demands for their skills or products that will collect fees and a price from the customers. The problem is they also can't generate that money lifelong like employees. One day when they are sick or old and can't provide a service, their money supply will stop. But most of them are smart. They will turn the portion of their earnings into investment, which will fill that income loss gap after they stop working. The another category we see is business owner. These people who created a system so others can work for them. These people are very smart and make other people work for them. So once they created a successful system, many people are joining with them to give their time, efforts, skills for exchange of money. And this is where the magic is happening. As we all are gifted with the time equally and have the same 24 hours in a day, you can't create more time, but you can get others' time. Yes, business owners understand that and exchange their money with others for using their valuable time. This makes them more successful and rich personal. The beauty is that now they can spend less time to manage others and earn more money than any other types of people. Also, they don't worry about getting old or falling sick. As the system continues to work, their money flow is very constant, and even their children will get benefited and will have no need to start from the first step. We all know it is not an easy task to run a business or create a system, and that is why the reward is very high. Now, the final category, the most powerful category, is investor. They are number one in all these four types. All the other categories are working very sincerely and hard to make the investors' investments grow. Investors pretty much control everything in the world because money is working for them with time. They don't have to worry about aging or falling sick. Their money will constantly bring more money to them and make them more successful. They spend more time for identifying the best and right investments. Once they did that, they will start getting benefits. Since time is tied with bring surplus money and they keep growing their investments, that will make them super successful personnel. Now, I want to ask you, who is the investor? And whom do you think can be an investor? Forget about which category you are in right now. Believe me, you can be the investor. Yes, you really can be the investor. And how is it possible? It is by constantly controlling your expenses and managing your income and increasing the income. You will save more money and spend your time to find the right investments. Once you've done that, you will start seeing your money is working for you every second, along with the magical ingredient time, to make you rich and successful personnel. I hope this video was informative and useful to you. I'm so glad you spent your valuable time to watch this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. Please subscribe to this channel and share this to your friends and family. Keep watching this channel for more financial literacy videos. And also smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. The blue color like buttons are fuel for the YouTube algorithm. Also, it motivates me. See you all soon in another wonderful video. Until then, have a wonderful day and take care. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you for watching.